Right, we are back. It's part 2. We went and we got a book.
Part 4, not.
Whatever. I got my bag. I got a stick. My stick that Fetch had. He got a stick, you got a stick.
I got a golf club! Yeah, and I'm
whatever.
about to hit it with...
Yeah, we got a golf club, a 5-iron. Oh, crap.
Yeah, I just hit 10. You got a boomerang?
And I pulled up my socks so I don't get cut as
You
much.
got a boomerang? But you got the sharpest stick. This is where he cuts himself every time. Go down. Go now while I'm holding it down.
Wait, move. I want to go this side.
My turn.
Fuck. Yeah!
My turn. What do you know? Holding it down. Wrong way.
Holding.
I'm holding it down. Here, 1 second.
You're clear.
Go!
It's so quiet. This is Australia. Good work, bro.
What do you get yourself stuffed? What an idiot.
Fletcher tries it out. You would have cut yourself, but you got jeans on.
Yeah, me. You know, you normally do.
Whatever. I hate jeans.
Boy, you know what'd be cool if we just found like like unclean gold. That'd be so cool.
You're not gonna find it.
How do you know? There's a river down there. You never know.
We don't live in Alaska.
When did they get there?
What?
There, rock.
It was probably all like the little rocks from up there, and it was carried down by the stream when it was
They weren't there when we just came down before.
Yeah, I'm sure. You're paranoid. What was that? Shh. Shh.
You know what we need to do is a night tour. That's what we need to do. Night tour? Yeah. What is that?
We can do that tonight.
What is that? Are you here tonight?
Yeah.
What are you staying over?
No.
Oh. Wait, Fletcher, what does that?
tree? That's so weird.
Fletcher, what is
Duh.
that? The night tour is where you do stuff at night.
And it's much more scary.
What about that thing there? Bun. Oh, look at that. That's kangaroo food. I already saw it down there. Look.
What? Who's that? Is that duck shit?
I think that's kangaroo shit.
Joey. Let me just zoom in.